Take 2, round 2.
Nice.
See if it picks up fuel on its own this time.
That'd be cool.
Hoping. Poor throttle lock's a little worn out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure smells like old oil.
Yeah, I did put a lot of that Dollar Tree oil in the cylinder and pulled it over with the plug out, but I'm sure it's still in there, which is alright. I don't know how long this thing's been sitting.
Right.
Decades.
Reminding me of a snowmobile that's been sitting forever.
Yeah.
All the sticky gas.
I don't know how long Josh's grandfather's been gone, but I'm sure that's the last time this thing ran.
Yeah.
Now I done it. We're flooded.
That's okay. Unfortunately. Starts good.
It's a drinker.
Yeah, it sure doesn't run very long.
No, not at all. It's like, oh yeah? Is that all you got?
Smells like a snowmobile revival, boys.
Really does. She's smoky. Smoky old start. some low jet set, or
I bet
maybe
you
it needs a carb clean.
if you'll get a little bit more low jet, that might help compensate for it until it comes back around again.
Yeah, it will rev up a bit, but it's lean, singy, but it keeps
Yeah.
going without choke when you rev on it, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully just a little bit of low jet.
I think the high jet's fine.
Yeah.
Fucking-
I don't know yet.
The low jet seems like it's just fucking a little behind.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool though. Fucking.
Yeah. Pretty good for probably decades it hasn't ran.
I would imagine that